Kasia, come through. What? Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things both beauty and fashion in hopes that you might find affordable quality products and most importantly, discover the beauty within. And in today's video, we are going to be doing part 2 of the Janet Collection Natural Me series. So if you want to know what wig I'm showing you guys today, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we are jumping into part 2 of the Janet Collection Natural Me series. So if you want to know all the details on Miss Tessa, the wig that I'm wearing right now, definitely make sure that you check that video out. I am going to link that video in this video and also in the description box. You guys, I really have enjoyed Miss Tessa this entire week. Like, I've just been enjoying her, so it really makes me super sad to snatch her off, but the show must go on. So today we are saying goodbye to Miss Tessa. We're saying hello to Kasia. So Kasia is also a part of the Janet Natural Me Blowout Lace HD Lace collection, and she is a longer unit. I'm super duper excited because I kind of want to compare this one to the Sensational Angel Face wig. So if you haven't seen that wig, you guys, that wig is super duper bombastic. Like, is that a word? Bombastic? That's gonna be my new word, bombastic. Like, that wig is amazing. The quality is amazing. So we're gonna see if Kasia can, you know, step up to the same level as Angel Face. So Kasia, I did pick her up in the color 1B30, and I'm gonna get a little close, that way you all can see her on the stock card, and then we're gonna go ahead and unbox her. And I'm also going to leave a link down below to her so that way you guys can purchase her for yourselves. And again, I don't understand why Janet, okay, this one isn't that bad, but they making it so hard to get the boxes out. Okay. Ooh, okay. So Kasia has a net around her. I'm just gonna take that off. And I did get her in the color 1B30. So, ooh, do y'all see those pretty brown? I think they're low lights. Is it low lights? If it's, I think it's called low lights when they're not that many. But highlights, low lights, whatever you want to call it. I am loving that peak of brown already. Like, I'm just loving the color. And just running my fingers through it, the wig is super duper soft. I think I did mention that about Tessa, but you guys, for her to be a long yaki texture unit, she is definitely very soft. I just can't stop touching her. Like, do y'all see this? My fingers are gliding through. And I just got a fresh set of nails, so my nails are really sharp right now. So I'm just gliding through, and no tangles, no shedding whatsoever so far. So we're just gonna take this out. It's just some foam pieces and paper on the inside. So Kasia does come with a middle part of parting space in the middle with lace. There are 2 combs in the front section of the wig. There is also a comb in the nape section along with adjustable straps. And I really do like the construction of the Janet Collection wigs. They're pretty sturdy, and honestly, I don't really have to readjust the wig. I can normally just throw these wigs on. So that's another thing that I love about the Janet Collection. Their wigs are definitely ready to wear once they come out the box. So I am going to cut this off, and then we're going to actually get into installing the wig. But Kasia also does come in the color 1B, 2, 1B30, which we have today. Chocolate hazel, caramel brown, golden brown, and this, see, I think I need to try this. Do y'all want to see me in something blonde like this? I haven't had blonde hair in a while. So y'all comment down below if y'all want to see me in something close to sun-kissed blonde. I haven't been blonde in a while, so. You guys, I'm super duper excited because, like, when I saw Kasia on the website, she was giving me like old Destiny Child Beyonce vibes. Like, I really was excited when I saw her. And I said, I have to try her. So I just want to give y'all a 360 of the color. Like, look at that color. Like, that is super pretty. Super natural how they did it. There's a nice transition. I like that. I like the transition of the colors, and it goes all the way down. So from root to tip, you get that nice color. I like that. I'm just going to pop her on real quick. And like I said, I'm not going to adjust the straps. I'm just going to throw her on. But I am going to put the comb in the middle. I'm going to push that into the nape of my hair. Y'all see my face. OMG. I don't even have her laid down yet. And look at me. I'm just playing with her. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn around so that way. Dang it, I shouldn't have worn a black shirt, but I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be able to see how long she is on me. Oh yeah. Ooh, yes. Kasia, come through. Come through, Kasia, come through. What? Oh, that is beautiful. I like that. So yeah, she's coming. If I stretch her all the way down, she comes like right above my butt, but she's hitting well down the back. I like that. So I would definitely say she's about 18 to 20 inches, not 22. But yeah, y'all, she is super duper soft. Like, I cannot get over how soft Miss Kasia is. Like, for this to be a yaki texture, this feels super duper soft. Like, super duper soft. I'm just playing all in her. Like, I'm loving this. Because I like it because, like, I haven't had a straight unit. That's what I want to say. I haven't had a straight unit, you guys, that just, you know, didn't look wiggy. Yeah, I'm hyping this wig up already and I don't even have it laid down. So let's get close so we can look at this hairline. Because I really did like the hairline on Tessa, so I need to make sure that they're giving me the same, we're getting the same quality with Kasia. So it definitely does look like she is pre-plucked. It's not super dense. So as y'all can see, it'll be really easy to make baby hairs on this wig by just pulling out hair from the hairline. So I do like that. Again, we do have that brown lace. So if you are a woman of color, you are able to just apply foundation to this line of wigs. Now, if you are a little bit lighter, you still should be able to apply the foundation. I'm just not 100% sure. As you all can see, my cap is pretty light, so it is peeking through. So you should be able to mask the front of the hairline with some concealer or foundation and then just have your cap peeking through like this. I did wear a light cap today purposely just so that way you all could see, if you were potentially a little bit lighter in complexion, how the lace is actually going to look. We have lace from ear to ear and then we have lace down the middle. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut the lace off. We're gonna lay her down with some Got To Be Freeze spray and some glue, Got To Be Edge glue. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The Got To Be Edge Ultra glue. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about her. So here are the final results of Miss Kasia. You guys, I am loving Miss Kasia, okay? Like, the hairline came out phenomenal. Like, you guys, I'm super duper in love. Now, I know my cap is peeking through. I forgot to add makeup on my cap, but literally if you do put makeup on your cap and on the lace, you're going to have a seamless application. But you guys, I'm just disguising that by throwing the hair over that little spot. But other than that, the hairline is phenomenal. Like, I really love the hairline on this unit. So let me just dive into all the pros about this unit. You guys, I can't stress it enough. The hairline popping. The luster on this wig is amazing. It doesn't have that super shiny plastic looking synthetic wig look to it. The luster is definitely perfect. The texture, oh my gosh, the texture, you guys, is amazing. And this wig is super duper soft to the touch. Like, I have not stopped running my hands through this wig. Literally, like, this wig feels like human hair. Like, it feels super soft, even though it's synthetic. Like, it kind of has you second guessing, like, like, it really has you second guessing if this is synthetic or not. But of course we know it's synthetic. But another pro that I love about this wig is the highlights in it. So if you are new to wearing wigs and you're trying to experiment with some colors, but you don't want to go into the deep end with super duper bright colors, definitely trying out a wig like this with some highlights is definitely the way to go. They did an amazing job with the coloring. You do have an even amount of highlights from the roots all the way to the tips of the hair in this unit. And you guys, this unit is super duper full. For it to be a straight unit, I wasn't expecting the hair to be this full. It does feel like I have like 3 bundles of 18-inch hair in, and they did an awesome job with the layering. The layering on this wig is very good. I like that because sometimes with straight wigs I do have to go in and add some layers to frame my face, but this wig is definitely ready to go right out of the box. I really love that about this wig, and it's definitely affordable and it's worth the money. Like, it's really worth the money. My only con literally about this wig is the simple fact that we only have one part of lace. I mean, come on now, like, Janet, we need some more lace, okay? Like, it's time to step it up a notch and really, you know, have synthetic wigs to be able to compete with our human hair wigs. So that's the only thing that I really don't like about the wig, is the fact that it's not a full 13x4 lace frontal. We really only have like a little bit of parting space, like that much in the front, but that's okay if you're a beginner and you're new to wearing wigs, and that doesn't really, if you don't really care too much for the parting space. But I am going to show you guys, I have to show you guys some more hairstyles that you can do with this wig, just because this wig definitely can be a whole lot more versatile than just wearing it in a middle or a side part. So definitely stay tuned for that part of the video. That is going to come out in a separate video, you guys, on this wig. But overall, I love this wig. This is probably going to be my favorite wig out of the Janet Natural Me collection. I'm not for sure yet. I still got another wig that I need to show you guys from this collection, so definitely make sure that you are subscribed and you turn your post notifications on so that way you know when that video drops. But overall, this wig definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I don't have nothing bad to say about it, you guys. Like, I literally don't have anything bad to say about it. Again, I'm gonna turn around so that way you guys can see all of this fullness that we are working with this unit. Like, definitely, if you're looking for something that is going to last, this is literally the wig. And definitely make sure y'all do that tip that I told you guys in my last video. So if you want to know those tips that I was telling in my last video, make sure you go check it out, because you guys, like, this one is definitely worth it. It's definitely worth the coins. Like, it's definitely worth it. I wish I would have picked this up in a blonde. I don't know. I might go back and grab this in that blonde color just because I just want to see what it looks like in blonde. Like, don't y'all want to see what this looks like in blonde? Y'all drop me enough comments. If I get enough comments that y'all want to see this in blonde, I'm going to go get it. I'm going to go get it just because y'all want it. So definitely make sure y'all drop me a comment below what y'all think about Miss Kasia, and if y'all want to see her in blonde. And also drop me some hairstyle ideas. I got a few in mind that I'm thinking, but drop me some hairstyle ideas in the comments of what y'all want to see me do with Miss Kasia. And if y'all want to see a heat test too, because I did not do a heat test on Tessa. So yeah, we should do a heat test. I think we should do a heat test in the next video. Alright you guys, that is all that I have for this wig review on the Janet Collection Kasia wig. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment below of your thoughts on this unit and on this video. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And most importantly, do not forget to stay beautiful, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay popping. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!